Hi! Today I will show you how to create a beautiful mandala birthday card. For this project, you need a square craft cardboard, a compass, 2 fine drawing pens, 1 black and 1 red, a ruler, and a pencil. First, start by folding your cardboard in half. In case your cardboard has 2 sides of colors, a brown and a white, then we will be drawing on the brown side. Now, using a compass and taking the left bottom corner of your card as a center to your mandala, start by drawing 5 different circles with the following ready: 2, 4, 5, 6, and 8 centimeters. Once you have drawn these circles, start by filling the spaces between the circles with different mandala shapes, like an arc petal, just like I'm doing here in the video. Once you have finished filling your mandala with patterns, color some of these patterns with red, then trace 2 horizontal lines to write happy birthday, and then you will erase them, so make sure to trace them very lightly. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!